Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I have Lake Nair. I think that's a Nair or Nair. Um, Compression foot sleeves, and they're comfortable foot therapy that relieves plantar fasciitis, reduces swelling, and faster muscle recovery. And this is a pair, and I got these because I got these with the toes out. Because, like I said, I don't wear sandals, but it's hot and I don't need a whole bunch of insulation right now. It's for the winter time. So I got these. Let's open them, show them. Now these are the pair, and these have a lot of give. So I should be able to wear these quite nicely for the summer. All right, so if you like these, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I will also comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.